Hi, and welcome to Scrapbook.com. If you are getting ready for some holiday card making, celebrate the season with the big, bold Christmas stamp set, which includes 3 bold and beautiful card-sized stamps on a 4x6 sheet. This stamp set is perfect for card makers who need lots of cards but doesn't have the next month to spend making them. These would be beautiful, simply embossed in silver or gold on your favorite patterned paper. Add a few simple embellishments for stunning cards your family and friends will love. This stamp set includes 3 of the most beautiful, large, bold sentiments for Christmas. This one says, "Believe in the magic of Christmas." This fun mix of fonts that says "Merry Christmas." And then "Joy to the World." We have a few samples as well. Look at how beautiful the "Joy to the World" is embossed on vellum. There's some beautiful embossing in the background, fun, beautiful snowflakes that are stamped and then embossed on top of that. Love the Believe card, which is actually a shaker card. So it was watercolored in the background, stamped and embossed in white, and then die cut this beautiful shape here and then 3D mounted, so it has these beautiful little gemstones behind it. Who wouldn't love to get that in the mail? We also have this beautiful Believe in the Magic of Christmas card. Love this bow, absolutely stunning. Just a few little added embellishments to add some dimension, a punched border, some die-cut trees in the background on this gingham paper, absolutely stunning. So if you're looking for quick and easy cards, this is the perfect stamp set for you. All of these stamps are made in the United States of high-quality photopolymer for beautiful stamped images every time. If you are looking for the perfect stamps to create lots of cards quickly, the big and bold Christmas stamp set would be a perfect option for you. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.